Hello, and welcome back to the QuickLearn series on building your website with Portfoliobox. Today, we'll show you how to create a link page. A link page is a great way to gather multiple pages and display them all in one place, making it easy for visitors to navigate between them. Let's walk through the process to get this set up. First, click on Create in the top left corner of the admin panel and select Link Page. You'll then see a variety of templates to choose from. Pick the one that best fits the style of your website. Once you've entered a title, click Create Page to confirm. Now your page is set up and it's time to start adding links. Click on Edit Links, choose Change Content, then remove the sample links. Click Add New Link to get started. We'll start by linking to one of our existing pages. Let's choose Fashion. The title and first image of the gallery are automatically pulled in. Once everything looks good, click Save Link. Next, we'll add a new link, and this time we'll create a new page. Choose a template and add a title. Afterwards, click Create Page to confirm, then click Save Link. A new page is created, and we can now add our own content. Just click the link to open the page. To update the images, click Edit Images, remove the sample content, and choose New Images from the library. As you can see, the thumbnail image on our portfolio page will update automatically. Now, let's quickly go over how to add a new page to our link page while creating a gallery. Start by clicking Create and selecting Gallery. Choose a template, add a title, and disable the Add to Menu option. Click Create Page, then upload your images. You'll be prompted to select which link page you want to add the gallery to. Here, we'll choose Portfolio. The new gallery page is automatically added to our link page. If we had multiple link pages, we would have been prompted to choose which one to add the gallery to. And that's it! You now know how to create a link page, add existing pages to it, create new pages directly from the link page, and even add pages while creating them. This feature is perfect for organizing your content and making it easier for visitors to explore your site. Thanks for watching.